like all the birds, just like all the birds. Then you fling your...
Hey, man, that song rocks, dude.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you know what? That song's gonna get you a Grammy. 2023, yeah, we're gonna get that Grammy.
Hey, Marvin be the biggest Jamaican rock star, yo. Wow.
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna sign you, dude.
Yeah?
I'm gonna sign you to a $10 million contract.
Hey! $10 million?
Oh, yeah.
And nobody never want to sign me, now.
Hey, you know what? I'm doing it.
Yeah. You're right, my G.
Yes, I'm signing you. Yeah. Hey, you know what? All you gotta do is fuck your cousin and sell your heart to Jericho. Yeah.
Wait, what?
You just gotta sell your heart to Jericho, man. That's all.
No. Before that.
Oh, fuck your cousin? Hey, man, I tell you what. That was the best time of my life. Best doggy style and everything, dude. And guess what? She swallowed it too. Oh, yeah. That was amazing. What do you mean, dude?
Yeah, man, say yo. Me I got a rapper, you see me?
Dude, I just told you we could win a Grammy.
No, me no brother want me a rock star.
Hey.
Brother, no, brother, me no like that. No.
No, hey, get back in here, man.